Today we will be talk about the 10 best foods for pregnancy period. Pregnancy is a very important period of women in her life. During this period, consuming healthy food is very important for the health of baby and mother. Our list of the top 10 foods for pregnant moms and healthy recipes for pregnant women can help. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein, a crucial part of your pregnancy diet. The amino acids that make up protein are the building blocks of the cells in your body and your baby's. Eggs also contain more than a dozen vitamins and minerals, including choline. Choline helps your baby's brain and spinal cord develop properly and helps prevent neural tube defects. Number 2. Salmon. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for your baby's healthy development and might even boost your mood. Salmon is an exceptionally good source. Salmon is a low-mercury option for the 8 to 12 ounces of seafood pregnant women are encouraged to eat each week. Number 3. Beans. Beans are a good source of protein and an excellent source of iron, folic acid, potassium, magnesium, and essential fatty acids, all important for you when you're pregnant. They're also a great food for fiber, which can help prevent and relieve two common pregnancy discomforts, constipation and hemorrhoids. Number 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes get their orange color from carotenoids, plant pigments that are converted to vitamin A in our bodies. They're also a great source of vitamin C, folic acid, and fiber. Number 5. Whole grains. Whole grains are high in fiber and nutrients, including the antioxidant vitamin E and the mineral selenium. They also contain phytonutrients, plant compounds that protect cells. Sample different kinds, from barley and buckwheat to oats and spelt. Number 6. Walnuts. Walnuts are one of the richest sources of plant-based omega-3s. They're also a good source of protein and fiber. Grab a handful of walnuts for an on-the-run snack, or toss some into a salad. Number 7. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt typically has twice the protein of regular yogurt. Calcium helps keep your own bones strong and contributes to the growth of a healthy skeleton for your baby. Yogurt is a versatile breakfast ingredient and a wonderful addition to savory dishes too. Number 8. Dark leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and other dark leafy greens are prenatal superfoods, loaded with vitamins and nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folic acid. It's easy to up the amount of greens in your diet. Just chop them coarsely and toss into smoothies, soups, omelets, or stir-fries. Number 9. Lean meats. Meat is an excellent source of high-quality protein. Look for cuts that are around 95 to 98% fat-free. Beef and pork get extra points for also containing choline. Skip deli meats and hot dogs, though, unless they're heated until steaming hot. Number 10. Colorful fruits and veggies. Eating plenty of green, red, orange, yellow, and purple fruits and vegetables helps you and your baby get a variety of nutrients. Each color group provides different vitamins and minerals. Salads are an easy way to combine colorful fruits and vegetables. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care of your health. Bye.